Morning, guys. So I'm gonna prop you guys up while I get ready for the day. I'm not going anywhere, but I just figured I would include y'all in my morning routine. So I am putting on this vitamin C serum right now. I outlined my eyebrows. I have to clean them up right now. But how are you guys doing? I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've been on here. I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. This is the Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating moisturizer from Shea Moisture. It just looks like this. But how you guys been doing? I've been MIA. Sorry if I'm looking in the thing while talking to y'all. I know that's a little bit weird. But I've been MIA since my mom passed away. And that's because I've been dealing with really, really bad depression. And I didn't want to really talk about it. And I didn't want to, I just wanted to go through the feelings. Because, trust me, I will wake up one day and I am fine. And then the next day I'm not okay. It's been... My mom passed away in November, so it's been November, December, January, February, March. We're now in April, so 6 months since my mom passed away. And it's been an adjustment. We haven't had a lot of firsts since she passed away. Not a lot of firsts. Just my husband and I anniversary, the twins' birthday, a couple more birthdays in the family. But not a lot of first. Well, we did have our first Christmas without her, but we never celebrated Christmas together. So anyways, I'm gonna brush up these eyeliners and I'm gonna brush up my eyebrows and then come back to you guys. I said brush up. It's not brush up. I'm going to clean up my my brows. So I'm gonna be using this Pro Conceal LA Girl. I can't talk these days. And this is in the shade, what shade is this? Toffee or something? Oh Lord, I am struggling. But I'm doing much better now. I've been on medication. I'm taking meds, taking my vitamins. And I'm doing so much better, guys. Like, I can sit here and get dressed and not feel like it's useless. Like, not feel like, why are you doing this? You know what I mean? I'm still coming around when it comes to doing, things that I really enjoy. Like, my house, DIY in my house. I haven't done much projects since she passed away. And I'm not motivated to do anything, that I like or enjoy. But that's to be expected with, with grief and grieving someone. There's not a handbook and there's not a time limit on, how long you're supposed to be grieving or feeling the way you feel. Take your time and process your emotions and go through it. Don't rush through it just because you want to get back to life. Take your time, because the last thing you want to do is, feel like you got it, and then all of a sudden, boom, something happened, and it kind of like takes you out. You know what I mean? You don't want that. This is a contour brush. I don't know what I'm doing, so don't ask me. I'm just using what I have to kind of like blend out. But I'm gonna go blend this out and then come back. Okay, guys, so it's not perfect, but for what I'm gonna do, this is fine. I'm wearing my Stony Clover Lane white sweater, which is very bold on my part, putting on makeup. Considering I'm a very makeup putter-oner, You know what I mean? Next, I'm going to prime my eyelid and my face. So the primer that I'm using right now is, I'm going to be using the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer by e.l.f. I like this one. I also have this one. This is fine. But I like this one. So yeah, grief is, I don't wish it on anyone. I really don't. And I just use my hand. I really don't wish it on anyone. But it's a part of life. You know what I mean? It's a part of life. Everyone is going to go through it. If you have, people in your life that you care about, it's a part of life. Death is a part of life. We're all going to die. But it's how you deal with it, that's important, you know what I mean? So I'm just taking time for myself and, trying to heal and learn how to live with this. Learn how to live without my mother. Even though we never really had a close relationship, she still meant the world to me. She still did so much for me. She brought me here to this country and gave me an opportunity to get married and have children and have an amazing husband. So I'm forever grateful to her. I have a chin hair right here. I'm forever grateful to her for that opportunity. I'm not gonna knock her. She did her best, trying to raise 7 kids. Well, at the time it was 5. With no money and no source of income, was devastating for her. And I see why she came here and pushed as hard as she could to get us out of, poverty. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips while I'm at it because they're like cracker than crack. This is my lip balm. But other than that, I've been okay. The family's okay. Everyone's doing good. I did a few little projects. I did the kids' bathroom floor. I'm gonna put on my foundation. I think I'm gonna use this new one. I got Deep Honey from Tarte, and I also got Deep Sand because I felt like this was too dark, and so I'm probably gonna try to mix the both of these together to see if I can come up with a perfect shade for my face because, honey, we can't be walking around here looking like ghosts. So I'm gonna go do that and then come back. Okay, so you see how this one is much lighter and this one is much darker and this one is lighter. I put more light because I want, I feel like this is more my complexion because of the fact that my neck right here is lighter. But anyways, on great news, a couple of my neighbors that were, the bullies, sold their house. Like 3 of them sold their house, and that only left one. And ever since her little friends have been gone, she's been staying in her house. Like, I haven't seen her in like going on 3 years. I haven't seen this woman. Like, she just fell off the face of the earth. And I'm like, you were doing all of that for no reason, because you can tell that's just not the type of person she is. But, some people are just followers. They don't know how to be leaders and be strong and, not let others intimidate them into bullying others. You know what I mean? So, and I also put it on my lid. But they sold their house. We have all brand new neighbors. I don't really associate myself with the new neighbors. I just, hi, hello, goodbye, like it should have been in the first place. Our kids play with one of the neighbors really well. They mesh really well. So that's amazing, like none other. So I'm grateful for that, and I'm finally feeling a little settled in this neighborhood. Apart from, the lady over here, but like I said, she don't come outside no more. She don't let her kids outside anymore. It's as if they don't live there. At one point, I was worried that, you know, maybe the husband had murdered her or something and buried her body in the bike. I don't know. You know, people are weird. Weird shit. Weird stuff. Let me not cuss. Weird stuff like that happen all the time, you know? Weird people. The daughter come outside and she be running to the car as if, you know, somebody's going to kidnap her. And I'm like, whoa, honey. I don't know what you heard about me, but I don't kidnap little girls, okay? So, slow your roll. But other than that, everything is going good. I'm finally feeling settled. I have open makeup wipes in the bathroom, but I don't feel like going to go get that. So I'm just going to open up this pack because I'm lazy like that. And I got this pack at TJ Maxx for $3, and it comes with a set of 4. So, yeah. I need to find like a thing where I can put my makeup on to be able to apply it to my face. But this is what you have so far. I'm not going to put any more on there because I'm not going anywhere. And those foundations were expensive. And I'm not trying to use up my expensive foundation just to lay around the house. I'm not going to lay around the house, but I'm saying. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put on my setting powder. And I am currently using... I can't find it. I can't find the powder. Where is it? Come on, baby. Show yourself. Oh, here it is. I'm currently using the True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. I don't even know what shade this is in. Whatever. So, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. But I don't know what to do with my channel. Like, I don't know what I should be doing. You know what I mean? For a long time, I was into the cleaning thing, you know, hoping that my channel will grow. But now I'm realizing I don't like to clean. I'm not about that life. And, you know, YouTube is so demanding when it comes to the cleaning thing that every week you gotta spit out a video. That means I gotta be cleaning my house at least 2 times per week just to get a good video. And I'm not about that life. I ain't gonna be fronting for nobody on YouTube. Like, you know, look at me, my house is so clean and spotless. I'm not about to do that type of commitment for nobody, not even my husband. I will clean my house, but when I feel like cleaning it, you know what I mean? So that's that. I'm not going to put nothing else on my face. I don't contour. I don't put on blush. I don't do that. This is it, baby. This is it. Every now and then, I might go in with my, this guy and just, you know, put some kind of little definition, something, you know, up in here, like up in here, like right here. You know, just put some definition in the face. But other than that, what you see is what you get, honey. What you see is what you get. You lucky I even covered the dark spots on my face. Because I'll be walking around. I told Rob, I said, I'll be walking around like I'm homeless. People probably look at me and be like, why is she in the store? Like, they can't keep these homeless people out of here. And then, you know, sometimes I might go in with the highlighter and just kind of like dab it on the nose and be like, who's she? Oh, God. You know, and sometimes I might go in right here, you know. You guys can't see it because I go real light because I don't want to be walking out here like, who did that to her? You know what I mean? It's real light. It be so light, it'll going to take me about 10 years to finish this little palette right here. But like I was saying, yeah. Anyways, usually I put concealer and stuff. I'm going to go do that. I'll be right back because I've been talking for a long time. Okay, so he goes back and I put some concealer thing. I'm gonna go in with this beauty blender. I usually use this side, but I think I'm gonna use this side right here and just go up in the eyeball. But I usually wet it with I usually have like something I can dip it in. This little whatever, micellar water or something. And just kind of go in there. Make sure the thing is wet, you know what I mean? And you just want to blend that out. Because, baby, your girl is getting old. Dirt. I'm aging like fine wine, you know what I mean? And then I just bring it up on my lid because I'm lazy like that. And I don't want to have to prime my lid. I'm not even putting, I don't even know where this is going. I really don't know where this is going. You know what I mean? I did this all backwards. But I wasn't going to do this. You know what I mean? I wasn't going to do this. But I'm being extra. I'm being extra. Extra, extra. Read all about it. Yes. 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 What? Who's about to be what? I'm about to be 39 this year, guys. 39. Your girl last year in her 30s. I am ready for the 40s. I'm so sick of 30s. I'm ready to be a grown woman. I'm ready to do grown woman stuff. You know what I mean? I just want to be up in here like, bring it on. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm going to go up in here and set this. I'm just going to use any powder to set this bad boy. Because we don't want this thing to crease. We don't want no creasing around here. Do not crease. I'm horrible at putting on makeup. But you know what? It gets the job done, you know? Gets the job done. Anyways, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So, lashes are on. Eyeshadow. I put a little bit of blush. And this is it. This is it. I just got to do my lips. So, I figured I'd come back up on here. So, I'm just gonna do probably one of these bad boys. So I'm just gonna do something really soft and feminine and just like, you know, a little girly. Because I know my husband is gonna notice when he comes home later that I did my makeup. So like real subtle. And then I'm gonna go in, so pretty. I'm gonna go in with a liner, just a darker liner to give like a contrast. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so I just kind of outline my lips a little bit with the same color that's the lipstick, and then I'm gonna go in with a darker color. That's not dark enough. That's the thing about my liners, is that I never know the colors until I pull them out. So I have to sit here one by one and pull them out and check. Yes. This is so pretty. I'm not a big lip person. I'm not a big lip person. At all whatsoever. At all. I'm just gonna take a little gloss, because this is matte. It dries down really matte. And I don't want my lips to be dry at all. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and, you know, get my face all done. I really do appreciate you guys, you know, talking to you guys. I miss you guys like crazy. Right now what I'm gonna do is clean up my mess, clean up my room, probably go downstairs and try to figure out dinner. I was gonna make these beef sausage not beef sausage. Yeah, I guess it's beef sausage, gumbo thing. And just, you know, I was gonna go out, but I've been going shopping for the past month and a half just to deal with, you know, what I'm going through. But I don't need anything. You know, pretty soon my house is gonna get overrun with, why is this thing just spinning by itself? Guys, you should have seen my little makeup, this thing. Right there. It was just spinning by itself. Weird, but whatever. But thank you guys for hanging out with me. I'm gonna go try to be productive, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.